Okay, what's your name?
Cassidy.
And how long have you been baking?
Since July.
Okay. And what is your secret ingredient that you put into your recipe?
Milk.
Anything else?
Baking. Love.
Love? Baking love. Okay, that's cool. Any other special things on there?
No.
Nothing? Flour? Oh, okay. And what is your favorite things to make?
Eggs.
You bake eggs?
Sometimes. Pancakes.
Pancakes? What do you put in them?
Boogers.
Tell them what we're doing.
No.
Say we have to flour our surface.
We have to flour our surface.
Why? What happened when we didn't have enough flour? What happened to the biscuit?
It stuck to the counter.
And that wasn't very good, was it?
No.
Made it really hard to what? Pick it up?
Pick it up.
Now what are we going to do?
This time, we're going to roll it out. It's
Don't
not
press
going to
it.
be too hard.
Okay, I'm going to roll for a little bit, and then you're going to roll for a little bit.
She's going to roll for a little bit, and I'm going to roll for a little bit. Thank you for videotaping us right now. Which we have no videotaping in here, but sorry.
Okay, your turn. Couple times each way. Not too hard. Go gentle. You think it's good?
Nope. What, are we going to make it a little bit?
I think it looks good.
I want to get it flat enough.
Nope, if it's flat, we'll have flat biscuits. Okay. Tuck in our sides. Go ahead and put your thing down. Here. Okay. Flour it. Okay.
I know what to do.
Scooch over it. We want to use as much as we can though, right?
Yep.
Get as many as we can. Okay, push all the way down real hard.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Pull it up. What are you going to do? Flour it?
Flour it.
Pull it up. Pull up real hard.
Oh.
Pull up hard. Don't worry. Don't put your hands in the dough. There you go. Flour it again. Just rub it in there. There you go.
Now,
There, get another one up there.
and make another one. Right there. And it's not going to be too long until you're done and you don't videotape us any
Don't
more.
twist. Okay, you're done. Flour it. Can you get 3 and 4?
So,
Watch. You didn't look at the end before you start pushing. There you go. Push, push, push.
3
Wait. Oh. Okay, pull up.
and
Flour. What do you think?
thank you very much.
Okay, before we press, let's see if we can put it in there.
Right there. Okay.
Let me see.
That's
Oh,
good.
put that down. Here, make that noise. Alright, see if you can pull it apart.
With nobody helping me.
That's right. Nobody helping you.
Oh.
Thank you.
And when we're done here, we can talk to you for a minute. So don't leave it and don't stop videotaping. That's one thing we say to people when we have a shop. Whoa! And I know it's photo with shows. So just to tell you that. And she's a very good cooker, so. And I am too good, even though am not a turd. Stop calling us turds. And now I'm going to put it on chair like so. There. That's what I normally do. Oh, yeah. Now stop videotaping her because you'll get her butt.
Cassidy,
What?
where's the timer?
Timer?
Go find the timer. It's right in the living room because we got to set it for 9 minutes.
9 minutes. The finished project looks like this.
I think I can see some of your special ingredient in there.
Yum, yum,